Hi friends, it's Matt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a US double treble increase. So to do a double treble increase, we will need to work 2 double treble crochets into the 1 stitch. So this is the treble crochet from the previous row that we'll be working on top of, and we'll be doing 2 in the place of 1. So to do that, we are going to yarn over 3 times. So we've got 4 loops on our hook. Go through that stitch there, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So that's your first double treble. We are going to work another one into that exact same stitch. So we're going to yarn over 3 times again. Go into that same stitch there that you worked your last double treble into, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through just the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. So there you have it. That is your increase. So you've worked 2 double trebles into that last double treble and have increased. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. I have more tutorials on my channel. Definitely go check it out if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.